How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Patriot DIY channel. Now, we all know that woodworking tools are expensive, but they don't have to be. All right, guys, now I've been woodworking for several years now, and I love all the tools that are associated with it. And if you're anything like me, there's always some new tool that you want to get, but there's no doubt that as you accumulate all the woodworking tools that you want or need, it can get very expensive. So a lot of times when we start looking for that new tool, especially specialty tools, it would be nice if you could find an affordable option. And that's where WEN comes in. Now, I first got introduced to WEN tools about 5 years ago when I bought a WEN generator. And I was excited to find out that one of the specialties of WEN is their woodworking tools. They have a full line of woodworking tools, everything from routers and miter saws and table saws to planers, drum sanders, and even dust collection. WEN also offers a bunch of both corded and cordless tool options. Now, in my shop, I already had the basic woodworking tools like the miter saw and the table saw. But when it came to a lot of the specialty woodworking tools, these are things that I really wanted to have in my shop, but I didn't want to break the bank for it. And now, after several years of experience with all of these different WEN products, I can confidently tell you that they're not just affordable, they're also very high quality. In all the years that I've been using WEN products, I have never once had an issue with any of them. So I'm going to get in here and show you a few examples of some of the WEN tools that I have here in my shop. I'm also going to have links for all these in the description below if you want to get them for yourself. But before we get into all that, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's take a look at some of these WEN tools. Now I'm going to jump straight to what is probably my favorite WEN tool, and that is the 6.5-inch plunge cut track saw. This thing is one of the most used tools in my shop. I start nearly every project with the track saw, breaking down plywood and things like that, and this thing has never let me down. A track saw is one of those tools that, like me, pretty much every woodworker would like to have, but they can often be very expensive, and that's where this WEN track saw comes in. All right, guys, this is the 10-amp 6.5-inch plunge track saw from WEN. This thing is fantastic and one of my favorite tools in my shop. It's very high quality and it's going to have all the same great features as any of the top of the line track saws on the market. It can rip boards up to 2 1/3 inches thick. You can see it also has the plunge feature. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. And you can get this with both a 50-inch or 100-inch track. Those tracks are also modular, so you can attach them together and go as long as you want with it. Another great accessory that WEN offers along with this is these track saw clamps, so you can clamp the track securely down to your work surface. Now, WEN also offers this in a slightly more powerful 7.5-inch version, as well as a cordless version if that's what you want. I honestly love this thing, guys, and if you're in the market for a track saw, but you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on it, this is the one for you. The next WEN tools that have really been amazing to have in my shop are the 13-inch spiral head thickness planer and the 8-inch spiral head jointer. Now, WEN offers several variations of both of these, and you can see that I have them both mounted here on my flip top planer and jointer cart. If you haven't seen my build video on this, I will have a link to that at the top of the screen, as well as plans linked in the description. Now, a planer and jointer is something that I always wanted to have in my shop, and WEN is offering a very high quality product with some high-end features at much lower prices than any other manufacturer. The spiral cutting heads alone is something that you typically have to pay premium prices for, and especially when you start getting into the 8-inch jointers. All right, guys, this is the 13-inch spiral benchtop thickness planer from WEN. This can plane boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide, and it has a 15-amp motor that has eaten anything I've tried to put through this. This thing is very high quality and it produces beautiful, perfectly smooth boards, mostly due to its spiral cutter head. This thing has 26 staggered blades that result in a perfectly flat finish. All of the controls and adjustments on this planer are very easy to operate and accurate. And after using this planer for a couple years, I really think that it can rival even the top name brands in this benchtop planer market. All right guys, this is the 10 amp 8-inch spiral benchtop joiner from WEN. It has a 33-inch by 8-inch table. It also has adjustable arms that extend the table out to 51 inches. It has an adjustable extruded aluminum fence that can bevel up to 45 degrees. And just like the planer, this has the spiral cutter head. This jointer has 16 staggered blades that provide a perfectly smooth finish on any of your work pieces. Also on both the joiner and the planer, once these blades get dull, you can loosen them and spin them around and just keep using them. The adjustments on this planer are very accurate, and you can make micro adjustments to remove material from 0 to 1/8 of an inch in a single pass. WEN does offer multiple different versions of this. You can get it in a 6-inch, 8-inch, and 10-inch version. They also have different options for either spiral cutter head or just a regular straight blades. It is going to come with 2 push blocks that come along with it. And both the joiner and planer have 4-inch dust ports that do a fantastic job of removing all the dust while you're working with these tools. The next tool from WEN that I've come to like quite a bit is this 8.5 amp Biscuit joiner. Now I don't use a Biscuit joiner a ton, but I have used it quite a bit for building tabletops and frames and things like that. And the Biscuit joiner is one of those tools that it's very nice to have when you need it. But from other brands, they can also be very expensive. So WEN gives you a very nice, high quality, yet affordable option. This is the 8.5 amp plate and biscuit joiner from WEN. This does come with a nice hard carrying case and a dust collection bag. It's also going to have a 4-inch carbide tipped blade, and you can see you can bevel this front plate. It will also accommodate all standard size biscuits from 0, 10, and 20 size biscuits. Now, like I said, I don't use a biscuit joiner a ton, but it is definitely one of those tools that is nice to have when you need it. And if you don't want to break the bank on a biscuit joiner, I think this option from WEN is going to be a really good one for you. Now, like I mentioned before, one of the first WEN tools that I ever got was their generator. And I have both their 11,000 watt dual fuel generator as well as this 2,000 watt inverter generator. And after using both of these for a while, I was so impressed with the quality, especially at a price that was much lower than the competitors. That's really what led me into trying out their woodworking tools. Again, this is their 2,000 watt inverter generator. This is going to compare very closely to some of the much higher priced Honda generators and things like that. This thing is very powerful, and it is super, super quiet. That's one thing I love about this. And it's pretty portable. It comes in at 49 pounds, so it is still heavy, but it's definitely something that you can transport around and load into your truck when you need to. This thing is plenty powerful, and it does last a very long time, so it's pretty fuel efficient, especially on eco mode. Now, I mentioned I also have the 11,000 watt dual fuel generator. That one is really the Mac Daddy from WEN. 11,000 watt is powerful enough to power a small home, or at least a good portion of your home. And one of the best features of that is that it's dual fuel, so you can run it on both gasoline and propane. I've had that for about 5 years, and I've used it quite a bit, especially during power outages, and I've never had any issues with it. The next WEN product that I haven't mentioned yet is one that is very important here in my shop, and it's right up there. This is the 1000 CFM 3-speed remote controlled industrial strength air filtration system from WEN. This thing is fantastic. It has 3 different fan speeds from 556 CFM, 702 CFM, and 1044 CFM. It is remote controlled, so you can switch between those different fan speeds. You can also set a timer. This filtration system is rated to circulate the air in a 1,000 square foot room up to 7.5 times per hour. And it comes with both 1 micron filter and 5 micron pre-filters, so it does a fantastic job of keeping the air clean here in my shop, especially in a wood shop like this with all the small sawdust flying around. I have this mounted just above my woodworking area, and it does a great job of sucking up all that fine sawdust and keeping the air and my lungs clean. All right, guys, now I hope you enjoyed this little overview of all the WEN tools that I have here in my shop. Again, this is just a small sample size. Like I mentioned before, WEN has a full line of woodworking tools. Any tool that you can think of that you need for woodworking, WEN most likely has it. Especially for the hobby woodworkers and DIYers out there that would like to have these tools for their woodworking shop but don't want to empty their bank account to do it, I think these WEN tools is going to be a great option for you. And again, guys, I have several years of experience with a lot of different WEN products. The quality of every single one of them has been very good, and I've never had an issue with any of them. So I have no problem recommending them to you guys, especially if you're looking for an affordable option. And don't forget, guys, I will have links to all of these tools and several other WEN products in the description below if you want to get them for yourself. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions or anything. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.